Hello students, I am Madhuri, your maths teacher. Today we will learn grade 9th maths, CBSE syllabus, chapter 2, polynomials and series of a polynomial, and we will solve exercise 2.2. Series of a polynomial. So consider the polynomial px is equal to 5x raised to 3 minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. If we replace x by 1 everywhere in px, we get p1 is equal to, in the place of x, we will write 1. So 5 into 1 cubed minus 2 into 1 squared plus 3 into 1 minus 2. Okay, this is actually 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. We replaced x by 1. So 5 into 1 cubed is 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. Here 1 squared is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So minus 2. And 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 2. So here 5 plus 3 is 8. So for sum of positive terms, 5 and 3, 8. Sum of negative numbers, negative 2 and negative 2, negative 4. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So we say that the value of px at x is equal to 1 is 4. The value of px at x is equal to 1 is 4. Similarly, p0 is equal to 5 0 cubed minus 2 0 squared plus 3 into 0 minus 2. So you will get 5 0 cubed is 0 minus 2 0 squared is 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0. You will get minus 2. Next one, find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of the variables. The first one, px is equal to 5x raised to 2 minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. So we will keep the value 1 in the place of x. We will get the value of the polynomial px at x is equal to 1 is given by here px means p1 is equal to 5 into 1 squared minus 3 into 1 plus 7. 5 into 1 squared means 5. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 7. So 5 minus 3 plus 7. Here sum of all positive or sum of all positive. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Or 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. Next one, qy is equal to 3y cubed minus 4y plus 11 at y is equal to 2. So that means we have to find what is q2. The value of the polynomial qy at y is equal to 2 is given by q2 is equal to 3 into 2 cubed minus 4 into 2 plus 11. So 3 into 2 cubed minus 4 into 2 plus 7. 2 cubed means 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. 3 into 8 is 24. So 24 minus 4 into 2 is 8 plus 11. Here 24 and 11 are positive integers. So sum of all positive integers is 24 plus 11, 35. 35 minus 8 is 27. Otherwise 24 minus 8 is 16. 16 plus 7, 16 plus 11, 27. Both are same. 20, sum of all positive. Here 24 minus 8 plus 11. So 24 minus 8 is 16. 16 plus 11 is equal to 27. Or 24 minus 8 plus 11. Here 24, 11 are positive. Sum of all positive number is 35. 24 plus 11 is 35 minus 8. 35 minus 8 is 27. Both are same. Now, next one. Pt is equal to 4t raised to 4 plus 5t cube minus t squared plus 6 at t is equal to a. So in the place of t, we will write a. So what you will get? 4a raised to 4 plus 5a cubed minus a squared plus 6. The value of the polynomial pt at t is equal to a is given by pa is equal to 4a raised to 4 plus 5a cube minus a squared plus 6. Next one. Now consider the polynomial px is equal to x minus 1. What is p1? P1 is equal to 1 minus 1, 0. Note that P1 is equal to 1 minus 1, 0. As P1 is 0, we say that 1 is a 0 of the polynomial Px. So 1 is a 0 of the polynomial Px. Why? Because P1 is equal to 0. Next one. Similarly, you can check that 2 is a 0 of qx where qx is x minus 2. So what is q2? 2 minus 2 is 0. q2 is equal to 0. So 2 is a 0 of qx. Qx is x minus 2. So q2 is 2 minus 2, 0. So therefore, we can say that 2 is a 0 of qx where qx is x minus 2. A 0 of a polynomial px is a number c such that pc is equal to 0. Here c is 2. q2 is equal to 0. Here c is 1. Here p1 is equal to 0. A 0 of a polynomial px is a number c such that pc is equal to 0. So what is a 0 polynomial? Is 0 of a 0 of a polynomial px is a number c such that pc is equal to 0. Now, next one. Now consider the constant polynomial 5. Can you tell what is this 0 is? 5 cannot be written as 5x raised to 5 can be written as 5x raised to 0. 5 has no 0 because replacing x by any number in 5 raised to x still gives us 5. So that means 5 x raised to 0. So if x is equal to 1, 5 into 1 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So you will get 5. Or you can write 5 into 2 raised to 0. That also 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 3 raised to 0. That also 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 5 can be written as 5x raised to 0. 5 has no 0 because replacing x by any number in 5x raised to 0 still gives us 5. So 5 has no 0. A constant polynomial has no 0. In fact, a non-zero polynomial has no 0. A non-zero constant polynomial has no 0. What about the zeros of the 0 polynomial? By convention, every real number is a 0 of a 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial means 0. 0 into any real number is 0. So, the value of the zeros of the 0 polynomial is any real number. So 0 is equal to 0 into 0 into 5 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 into any number. 0 into 6. 0 into 6xy. 0 into 9. So any number raised to 0 is equal to any number into 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, the zeros of the 0 polynomial is a very real number. Now 0 into any number is equal to 0. So 0 of the 0 polynomial is any real number. Now check whether negative 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomials x plus 2. We can check. So here px is x plus 2. We will find what is p negative 2 and what is p2. So px is equal to x plus 2. Now what is p2? In the place of x, we will write 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Not equal to 0. Next one, negative 2. P negative 2 means in the place of x, you will write negative 2. So negative 2 plus 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So here, negative 2 is 0, 0 of x plus 2 and 2 is not. So therefore, negative 2 is a 0 of the polynomial x plus 2, but 2 is not. Example 4. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the 0 of the polynomial px is equal to 2x plus 1. How to find? Finding 0 of px is the same as solving the equation px is equal to 0. Here px is equal to 0 means 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 means we will shift 1 to right hand side. So plus 1 to right hand side means it will become negative 1. So 2x is equal to negative 1. 2x is negative 1. Then what is x? Here multiplication, so we will do division. So x is equal to negative 1 by 2. So 0 of 2x plus 1 is negative 1 by 2. So 0 of the polynomial px is equal to 2x plus 1 is negative 1 by 2. Next one, exercise 2.2. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4 squared plus 3 at x is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to 2. So find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4 squared plus 3. So when x is equal to 0, first one, fx is equal to 5x minus 4 squared plus 3. Next, when the value of, find the value of fx at here px, in the place of px we wrote fx. Okay. So value of fx at 0 is, in the place of x, we will write 0. 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 into 0 plus 3. 5 into 0 is 0. 4 into 0 into 0 is also 0. Then what is remaining? Plus 3. So the answer is plus 3. Now next one, x minus 1. Value of fx at x is equal to negative 1 is f negative 1 is equal to 5 into negative 1 minus 4 into negative 1 into negative 1 plus 3. Okay, 5 into negative 1 minus 4x squared. 4 into negative 1 into negative 1 plus 3. Here 5 into positive into negative is equal to negative. You will get negative 5. Now minus, now two negative integers. So product of two negative integers is positive. So 4 into negative 1, 4. So minus 4 plus 3. So here two negative integers. Sum of two negative integer is negative 5 plus negative 4 is negative 9 plus 3. Now 1 is negative, 1 is positive. We will find the difference. Difference is 6. And Here this 9 has greater absolute value, its sign is negative. So negative 6 is the answer. Okay children. Next one, value of fx at x is equal to 2. So 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 into 2 plus 3. 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 into 2 plus 3. So 5 2s are 10 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 plus 3. So 10 minus 16 plus 3. So here 10 and 3, 13 minus 16. 13 minus 16. 13 minus, so 10. Here 10 and 3 are positive. Sum of the positive numbers is 13. 13 minus 16. So the difference is difference of 13 and 16 is equal to 3. Here minus 16. This one has greater absolute value. Its sign is negative. So you will get negative 3. Now next one. Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. Here Py is equal to y squared minus y plus 1. So Py is y squared minus y plus 1. Now we want to find P0, P1 and P2. P0 means all the places. In the place of y we will write 0. 0 into 0 minus 0 plus 1. So P0, 0 into y squared is 0 into 0 minus y, 0 plus 1. So 0 minus 0 plus 1. That means plus 1 is the answer. P0 is equal to 1. Next is we want to find P1. In the place of y we will write 1. 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 0. What is remaining? 1. Next we want to find P2. P2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Or sum of all positive. 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t squared minus t cubed. What is P0, P1 and P2? First one P0. Pt is 2 plus t plus 2t squared minus t cubed. P0 is equal to 2 plus in the place of t 0 plus 2t squared. 2 into 0 into 0 minus t cubed. 0 into 0 into 0. That means 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 into 0 is 0 minus 0. So you will get 2. Now next is P1. P1 is 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1. 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 minus t cubed. 1 into 1 into 1. 2 plus 1 and third term 2 into 1 into 1 is 2 plus 2 and minus 1 into 1 into 1 is minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 cancel. Here plus 1 and minus 1 0. What is remaining? 2 plus 2 4. Now next is P2. So P2 means in the place of t we will write 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2t squared. 2 into t squared is 2 into 2 minus t cubed. T cubed means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 minus 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 0. What is remaining? 2 plus 2. Answer 4. Next one, Px is x cubed. So solution, Ps is s cubed. P0 means 0 into 0 into 0, 0. Then P1 is 1 into 1 into 1, 1. Then P2 is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Okay, then Px is s cubed, P0 is 0, P1 is 1 and P2 is 8. Next one, Px is x minus 1 into x plus 1. What is P0? 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 is negative 1 into 0 plus 1 is 1. What is 1 into 1? 1. Negative into positive is negative. Next is P1. P1 means 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Into 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Next is P2. 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. So, when Px is x minus 1 into x plus 1, P0 is negative 1, P1 is 0 and P2 is 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Px is equal to 3x plus 1, x is equal to negative 1 by 3. So Px is given, we will find P negative 1 by 3. If the answer is 0, then we can say that negative 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, it is not. P negative 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into negative 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 into 1 by 3 means what, children? 3 into 1 by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. What is remaining? 1. So, 3 into negative 1 is equal. 3 into negative 1 by 3 means negative 1 you will get. Negative 1 plus 1, 0. So, here you can say that negative 1 by 3 is 0 of the given polynomial. Negative 1 by 3 is a 0 of Px. Second one, 5x minus 5 when x is equal to 4 by 5. So P 4 by 5 is 5 into 4 by 5 minus 5. What is 5 into 4 by 5? 5 into 4 divided by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. Remaining 4. So here you will get 4 minus 5. 5 into 4 by 5 is 4. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is not equal to 0. So, 4 by 5 is not 0 of Px. 4 by 5 is not a 0 of Px. Now, next one. Px is equal to x squared minus 1. X is 1 and negative 1. So, first we will find when x is equal to 1. What is P1? P1 is s squared means 1 squared minus 1. 1 squared is 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0. Next one P negative 1. Negative 1 squared. So negative 1 into 1 minus 1. What is negative 1 into 1? Positive 1. So 1 minus 1 0. Here both are 0. P1 and P negative 1 are 0. So therefore 1 and negative 1 are zeros of Px. Fourth one, Px is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. X is negative 1, negative 2. So we will find. P negative 1 is negative 1 plus 1 into negative 1 minus 2. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. 0 into negative 3. 0 into any number is equal to 0. So, negative 1 is a 0 of Px. Now 2. P2 is equal to 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So, x minus 2 is 2 minus 2. So, 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So, 2 is a 0 of Px. So, here both are 0. So, that means negative 1 and 2 are zeros of Px. Next one, Px is equal to x raised to 2. X is equal to 0. So, P0 is 0 into 0, 0. So, therefore, 0 is a 0 of Px. Next one, sixth one, Px is Lx plus m. X is minus m by L. P negative m by L is equal to Lx into m by L plus m. What is Lx into Lx into m by L? L and L cancel. So L into m negative m by L. L and L cancel. What is remaining? Negative m is remaining. So negative m a plus m is equal to 0. So here negative m by L is a 0 of Px. Next one. Px is equal to 3 squared minus 1. X is equal to negative 1 by 3 and 2 by negative 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. So here P negative 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 divided by 3 into negative 1 by root 3 the whole squared. That is negative 1 by root 3 into negative 1 by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Negative 1 into negative 1 is 1. 3 into 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3, 3 and 3 cancel. What you will get? 3 into negative 1 by root 3 into negative 1 by root 3. So negative 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 1. Root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. 3 and 3 cancel. You will get 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So negative 1 by root 3 is a 0 of Px. Next one is P 2 by root 3. So 3 into 2 by root 3 the whole squared minus 1. So that means 3 into 2 by root 3 into 2 by root 3. So 3 into 2 into 2 is 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 and 3 cancel. You will get 4. So 4 minus 4. So 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, not equal to 0. So 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of Px. Therefore, negative 1 by root 3 is a 0 of Px, but 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of Px. Next one, Px is equal to 2x plus 1, x is equal to half. We can check. P half is equal to 2 into half plus 1. What is 2 into half? 1. 2 into half is equal to 1. 2 into half. 2 and 2 cancel, you will get 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So it is not equal to 0. Therefore, half is not a 0 of Px. Now next one, find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Px is x plus 5. So when Px is equal to 0 means x plus 5 is equal to 0. When x plus 5 is equal to 0, what is x? So x will be negative 5. Plus 5 will go to that side. It will become negative 5. So x is equal to negative 5. Here negative 5 is 0 of x plus 5. Next one, negative 5 is 0 of the polynomial Px. Next one, Px is x minus 5. So when Px is equal to 0, x minus 5 is 0. When x minus 5 is 0 means what is x? 5. 5 is negative 5 will go to that side and it will become positive 5. So x is equal to 5. So 5 is a 0 of the polynomial Px. Now Px is equal to 2x plus 5. So when Px is 0, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. When 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, what is 2x? 5 will go to that side and it will become negative 5. So 2x is negative 5. When 2x is negative 5, what is x? Here 2 is multiplied, there we will divide negative 5 by 2. X is negative 5 by 2. So negative 5 by 2 is the 0 of Px. Now next one, Px is 3x minus 2. So when Px is equal to 0, 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. What is 3x? When minus 2 will go to that side, it will become 2. 3x is equal to 2. X is 2 divided by 3. So 2 by 3 is 0 of the polynomial Px. Now Px is 3x. When 3x is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0. That means 0 is the 0 of Px. 0 is 0 of the polynomial Px. Now next one, Px is equal to Ax, A not equal to 0. So when Ax is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0 given A not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. That means x must be 0. Otherwise the product will not be 0. So x is equal to 0. So 0 is the 0 of the polynomial Px. Now Px is equal to Cx plus D, C not equal to 0 and C and D are real numbers. Cx plus D is equal to 0, which implies Cx is equal to negative D. So x is negative D by C. So negative D by C is a 0 of the polynomial Px. So this is the end of today's class. Today we learned zeros of a polynomial. What is zeros of a polynomial? Then zero of a non-zero constant polynomial. Then zero of a zero polynomial. Then learn to find the value of the polynomial when the value of the variable is given. Then we learn to verify whether the given value is 0 of the given polynomial. Then we learn to find the zeros of the polynomial. So these all things we learned today. So you to understand today's class, practice the class and learn well. We will see in the next class. Okay children, bye.